Hey guys, so I wanted to make a quick video today. So what we have on the floor here is a little welding repair job that I have from where I work. I'm a plumber during the day and I do this stuff on the side. And so this is actually the third one of these that I've repaired. What happens is these hold all the ABS pipe, and over time, water gets in and they rust out, and the pipe over time and time is setting it in with a forklift. Eventually it breaks. So I'm just going to clean it up a little bit, weld it back together, and then use a piece of offcut angle iron I already had, put it in one of the corners, and this piece of flat bar, cut it in half, bend it in the vise to have another corner bracket and one on the bottom, and then shouldn't have to worry about it ever again. And the benefit of doing something like this is this comes from where I work, so I just get to pick it up at work, take it home, and go and drop it back off the next morning. And another benefit is my boss is, oh, you can weld, you're a welder. I have some 4x4 steel sitting at my house I don't need. Do you want it? Just come pick it up. Go and pick it up. And right now with the prices of steel, I don't even know how much money it is, but it's free and I'll take it. So I'm gonna build a rocket stove with that because someone else I work with wants a rocket stove. So perfect, worked out. But now this is a quick little repair and I'm gonna get like 40 bucks for it, and it's gonna take me 20 minutes. Now while I was welding this, I just saw on the backside it's all cracked right down here along this weld. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it up and throw another weld on. Now we can see there's a pretty big gap right here, but I'm just gonna try and bridge that best I can, and then I'm gonna have that plate here and those angles on both sides so it'll still be strong enough. Alright, so I grinded it down flush, and I'll put a little bit more on the back side, and then I'll hit this side right here that I haven't hit yet, and I'll get the angles on. Okay, so I decided against the corner brackets because it's plenty strong enough as is. And I'm 230 pounds. And we don't normally drop things like that on there. They just kind of get set in. And if it breaks, they know where to find me. So I'll take care of it. I'm just gonna let it cool off and then throw some paint on and it'll be a done deal. It took me about 20-30 minutes, somewhere in there. I'll make 40 bucks and just like that. Real easy job to pick up. You know, we all work somewhere. Unless you work for like a mega corporation or you sit in an office, chances are someone's gonna need some work done. And if they don't have somebody, or maybe they're willing to give you a try, if it's something small and non-critical, you know, the worst you can do is ask, or are they gonna tell you no? So give it a shot. If you guys like content like this, where I do little side jobs and talk about them, let me know. I got a auto body repair coming up in a few weeks. I can record some of that and we can just, you can come along for the ride. So if you enjoyed the content, go ahead, give me a subscribe and like the video and all that stuff that they say helps out with the YouTube algorithm, because our lives are dictated by what other people say for some reason. So anyways, if you made it all the way to the end, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And one more bonus tip: if you do stuff like this, use a different color on the joints than like the spray valve that they use. That way, if it does break, if one of the old ones breaks, they don't blame you for it.